If you're looking for 10 Stoic perspectives on sex, here are some key principles drawn from Stoic philosophy. 1. Control over desires. The Stoics emphasize mastery over one's desires rather than being enslaved by them. As Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." 2. Sex is a natural act, not an obsession. Seneca and Marcus Aurelius viewed sex as a natural function, similar to eating or sleeping, but not something to pursue excessively. 3. Avoiding lust and addiction. Lust can cloud judgment and lead to irrational behavior. As Marcus Aurelius advised, do not let your mind be enslaved by passion. 4. Moderation over indulgence. The Stoics recommended moderation in all pleasures. They did not advocate celibacy, but warned against excess. 5. Virtue over pleasure. Stoicism teaches that true happiness comes from virtue, not pleasure. Pursuing sex at the cost of integrity is seen as a weakness. 6. Respect for others. Sex should be approached with respect and consideration, rather than manipulation or exploitation. 7. The impermanence of desire. Physical attraction fades, so wisdom dictates valuing deeper connections over fleeting pleasure. 8. Self-discipline in relationships. Even in romantic relationships, Stoics emphasize self-restraint and emotional balance. 9. Freedom from external control. Being controlled by sexual desire makes you dependent on external factors, which contradicts Stoic ideals of self-sufficiency. 10. Death puts everything in perspective. Stoics constantly reminded themselves of mortality, memento mori. Passion and pleasure seem trivial when viewed from the perspective of life's brevity. Would you like a deeper dive into any of these?